Hey gems, Enchanted Sapphire here with the Lore Mages. Let's build a mono blue deck. Okay, so you're gonna see my whole thought process, and it does not involve a whole lot of thought. Alright, so let's see. Oh. No. No. Yes, because it's cute top hat. Cute top hat. No. Scrooge McDuck, he's so cute. Yeah, he's having a lot of fun. No. No. Oh my gosh, yes. So cute. Yes, one of my favorite arts. No. I already have one of him and he's not like a super favorite. Yes, because I love this caterpillar. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Of course. Absolutely, of course. Yes. No. Yes. 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 No. Let's see what else. Okay. Yes. Yes. Love that one. Love his face. Oops. Can't see. Okay. Love his face. Yes. 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 Not that much yes. Yes, because I like the paw print. I mean, this one's really pretty, but no. He looks like he's having fun. Are you having a it's cool crossbow. No, no. I like this one. Oh, I like this one. No horsey. Love this one. Belle's house, because who doesn't love Belle's house? Yes. I love this one because he's flying. I really do like that a whole lot. Okay. No. Gumbo pot. Yes. And look at all my little shrimpy shrimps. Yes. Love it. Love it. Okay. Yes. No, I don't like her. I mean, he's cute. He's cute, but maybe one. I like the little swirlies. This guy. This guy's weird looking. I don't like him. I mean, it's kind of cool. No. No. Yeah, I like that one. Sardine can. Yeah. Oh, I love this chick. This little girl right here. She's so stinking cute. I love her. Okay. And I love him. I love him. He's so stinking cute. Yes. 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 Minding my business and not minding my business. Yes. And minding wild. Ah, I love it. He's so cute. And he looks super, super close. He's on popsicles. Okay, let's see. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, let's see what we got in this one. Yeah. I already have that. Yeah. Oh, so that was 43, 44. Yes. 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 Aww. Nice. Yes. This is cannibalizing a deck here. To be fair, this one's not mine. But I'm using it. Oh no. Vault door looks cool. I don't have her. No. Oh, he's so cute. Yes. Oh, I like this bunny rabbit. Hold on. I like it. I like her. Oh no! I like her a lot. Okay, apparently I'm having technical difficulties today. Anyway, I like this bunny rabbit a lot. No. No. Tinkerbell! Yes, I hate that guy. No. 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 Already have the horse? No. No. Love the gumbo pot? No. campfire thing. I like the vault door. I really do like that queen one. Maybe we'll make that one. Just because, you know. So, it may be a video. I keep having some technical difficulties. Anyways, I'm at 56. So, we need one more. I need to go back here. It was like, alright, I'll take it. Let's see. I need a couple. Let's 4 more is our minimum here, so this will do whatever. That does make 4 though. So I should have the dozen. Maybe don't need that stone. They don't need that. I guess that's it. And yes, some of them are sleeved because they are cannibalized. One, I made a emerald sapphire, just like before I even really started getting into this. And then one basically is just an old deck that was made prior to anything else, but I have permission to cannibalize it, so yeah, I guess that's about it. Nope, that's it. Alright, okay, so I'm gonna throw this into untap, and then I'm gonna learn how to play with the lore mages. As always, thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to check out the other lore mages, the TheSteelFortres, the TheRubyRaider, the Amber Emperor, and of course, our homepage, the Lore Mages Official. Bye!